Yes, you are ready to come to a new country, either as an international student or a potential new immigrant. What are some of the things you can do to make your journey to this new country much easier? If you are coming as an international student to a college or university in North America, try to find out if the college and universities makes on-campus housing mandatory. Most of them do for the first year international students, because their logic is you're coming to a new country, you should stay closer to campus, and you should stay with American partners or Canadian partners, so you will understand culture much faster. And it's closer to campus, so it will be ease of access for you. The second thing, if you're coming to smaller cities like Sudbury or London, which are a couple of hours from Toronto, so you want to find out what is the status of public transport. In Toronto, you can have bus and trains running almost 24 hours. So going from downtown to other part of Toronto shouldn't be a problem. Not in Sudbury or London, because it's a smaller place, you might not have as good of a public transport. So if you decide to stay off campus and the campus is 10-15 minutes away, how do you plan on commuting back and forth? Third option, in North America and in Canada, the community that you're staying in, people from those communities, the families, they have partnered with the college and universities to be a host family for international students. Meaning, you pay a nominal fee like you would pay for rent or food, and an American or a Canadian family will host you as their host family, meaning they are your legal guardian. You stay with them in the family, they will make you a part of the family. They will take you to an event, they will take you to places, they will talk to you in English, because that's the whole purpose, that they are trying to help you get used to the community and have a good experience about the new juncture. So ask the university if there are host families, and if there are, you can ask for name and phone number, you can contact them and see you are interested, so they might respond to you. The fourth and last thing is you might want to find out if there are people from your own community. Like in Sudbury, for example, there are Nepalese students going to the colleges and universities here, from India as well. So you can look for a group, Nepalese students in Sudbury, in Facebook. Nowadays, technology is at your fingertips. So let's say, for example, if you get in contact with one or two people from Sudbury, you can ask them all the realistic questions. How much is the rent? What's the tuition? How many hours can you work? What's the realistic way of living your life? So that way, before you even leave your country, you have a good enough information for you to make an informed decision. And in general, that's one thing I want to tell you, is that we have a tendency to say, let me go there first, and then I will try to do the thing later. A big no, because life here is very structured. Even though you are a student, and let's say you have a couple of hours of class every day, you might have to go and work for a couple of hours. You might have to go and prepare for a test after that, or you might have a group presentation, because group presentation is part of college and universities education here. So try to plan the best way possible before you come in, and it will help you great ways.